to my boy Edmund's little fundraiser for Armenia. He's hosting a track event at Willow Springs, and I'm taking my track beast, the G-Wagon. It's for a good cause. Edmund's gonna blow me, I think, as soon as I get there, or probably, well, I'll ask him, and we'll see what he says. But that's basically one of the reasons why I'm going, other than to raise awareness or charity for Armenia. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys there. Edmund, the fans want us to blow each other. Okay, here. Who's gonna go first? This is your event. Okay. Alright guys, I'm here at the Big Willow, and we're here for the Armenian fundraiser. Got some cool cars. I saw a LS1. It looked like a LS1 E46. I was driving by. It's pretty sick. I'll try to catch it as it goes by.
Hey, what the fuck? Where'd you come from? Hi, how are you? Good
yes, I know. I wanted to surprise you.
When did you come here? You been here?
I've been here.
Where were you hiding?
I brought my G-Wagon. I said good things about you.
Where were you?
I've been around. I ate. I went over there. I took a piss twice. I was fucking running around over there. Where were you?
Driving.
What car? I didn't see you at all, bro.
Now you did.
This is Josh. He's hot.
Close up.
Good looking guy too.
That's what I do, guys.
Yeah, ready for the YouTube, right?
He's a fucking hot guy, this
shady
guy.
area, are those like spots?
No, you can. You're good.
Oh.
Guys, look at his ass. Stay like that. You know? Nice, huh?
Should I twerk it?
No, it's not necessary.
Right there.
He doesn't shave, but he doesn't need to.
Oh, he has nothing on his head to shave.
No, it doesn't. It's like a mini Lambo door, kind of.
I know. Not yet, though.
It's cute.
Lexus in the corner.
Nice. Are you Mitch?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man. I hear you're the brains behind the operation at AGX.
I'm definitely not the looks.
Well, I mean,
Let's just keep it real.
that's arguable, I guess.
Pretty low bar, I think.
It is. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys, amuse or not amused based on their first gear send. Okay? I say the GT3 sends it, but the Carrera doesn't. Carrera's got a cage though. I don't know. Meh. Not amused. Not amused. 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 Not amused. Not amused. Not amused. 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 E58 sucks. That's it. That's it. Amused.
Whoa, holy.
I get close.
That was a little close.
Oh, so if you're vlogging, does that mean you're gonna come in the car with me?
I just get close.
Yeah. Are you robbing now?
No, I get the angles people don't get, you know?
Yeah, for sure. So that's what makes you different.
No, you're gonna look up my nose.
That's horrible. How do you like it?
I don't care. I don't give a shit. Look. All right, guys. I'm at AR Motorworks. I just got the mesh from eBay. I'm gonna throw it in his face and let's see what he says. If he says, sure, no problem, let's install it, then he is truly the homie. But I'm gonna throw it in a very disrespectful manner, so let's see what he says. Hey, Ron. I got the mesh. Can you install it?
Get the fuck out of my shop, dude.
I guess he's not the homie, guys.
Fucking YouTube.
Shut the fuck up, dude. First of all, can you say hi to the channel?
Go home and change for this fucking episode.
But they like you, dude. I'm getting good comments.
A lot of people like me, dude.
They're saying, who's that fuck gnome?
Oh, really? It's kind of funny, dude. Kind of funny, dude.
Hey guys, this is my video editor.
Oh, no, don't put me on here. I'm gonna edit myself out, dude.
No, you're gonna edit yourself in. Nah, fuck that. Take your pants off.
Shit, alright, shit.
There we go.
Look at
this shit right here.
World's first mattress. Hey, you're fucking ruining our video, dude.
Shut the fuck up. My own video, motherfucker. Check out this metric. This car is sick. It's got this little art kit. I guess it's a full front bumper. Got the different grille. And always got the DBSs on here. So sick. Rob always does the sick shit. Uncle Rob. Badass. This would be a perfect van for Kevin, you guys. Spin. Shake. Shake. That's sick. Hey, where can I put this? Will? Damn, bro, you doing your hair or what?
Well, all our bumper stands are being used right now.
Guess what we're doing today? We're gonna do brackets. And we're gonna burn these uprights. Alright guys. So you know we're gonna make the brackets. And these are my old uprights. They're aluminum. It's a factory Lamborghini part. So there's this company in Norway. I showed you guys that they made the uprights in titanium for me. Well, I mirror polished them with my polish guy, just like my exhaust. And now we're gonna burn them. We're gonna burn them so it matches the exhaust. And I think it's gonna look so freaking crazy. And I can't wait for you guys to see it at the end of this video. So just stay tuned. Ryan's on his way and we're about to burn this. It's gonna look awesome. We'll do brackets, do the uprights. I showed you guys already. Burn them. I gotta clean all this shit up. I'll clean it all up. I'll probably have to carbon Kevlar these, steam clean the engine bay, just clean it up. It's real dirty. What's your social again?
609 69 6969.
6969.
Fuck this YouTube shit, dude. I'm so tired.
Yay, Ryan's here. Come on, show everyone your fucking stomach like you want to.
No.
Okay.
You wanna see it?
You did last time?
Oh, scabs.
Alright guys, if you like weird stuff, subscribe right now. If you can. So you can't make these titanium then, right? Should I just powder coat this shit?
Powder coat this shit.
Alright, the struts that, they're not really even struts, but that kind of hold up the NSX wing, so. I was gonna have this full titanium it, but
I was too busy getting.
he's getting too big now, you guys. He's getting too big. He didn't have time to titanium it, so fuck it. I'm gonna put this shit right here.
Stop it.
Hey, world's first. Get out of the way.
What's first?
World's first on this car.
Dude, you got fucking arms, all this shit. You're telling me this shit.
That's, I mean, it's like a millimeter off, dude.
Let's
You're gonna rock just the fronts?
Yeah.
That's sick.
I got the Drago radios.
It's better because you cause more weight in the front and then you can just slide it, right? Is that what you're doing? That's badass. That's awesome. He's a drifter. What gear do you drift in? Second?
11.
Oh shit. Look at this. Battle of the welders.
That's right.
What's gonna happen?
still gold there.
I like gold here, but
we got purple to blue.
yeah, but we got them. Look, it does. We got to get just this area more hot. You see what I'm saying?
No,
see how
no.
it dips down like that? You like that?
Yeah, it looks good. Trust me, you're gonna go do that, and that's gonna turn purple.
That looks hard. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I mean, I know obviously you could see it, but it is really cool. See? The hanger I was telling you about? Titanium, welded, and we put a piece of rubber, an exhaust hanger back there for some flex. So now, it doesn't move. It has some flex. I can always loosen this a little bit more if I want more flex. And here's this side. Now, I'm probably gonna cut this just because I'm a little OCD. So I'm gonna Dremel this and kind of make it look a little bit nicer. But yeah, so hangers are done. He's burning the uprights. We're gonna, after he's done, we're gonna put the uprights on. I brought the wing here. So we'll put the wing on, we'll close everything, put the car on the ground. I got intake filters. So we'll put all that stuff on, turn the car on, get new pics, and get some new rev videos, this time without any shaking. And I think it's gonna be a day and night difference. I think it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned, guys. So, you like your wheels?
Yeah, they look good. Fresh titanium uprights.
Huh?
Damn, the mounts should be titanium too. That'd be fucking. The mounts on the wing. It looks fucking crazy. Look at it. Look at the contrast. You got yellow calipers, the blue BBS caps, brushed titanium finish, yellow turbos. And everything's all in line with this one. It's-
Oh my freaking gosh, you guys. Holy fuck. Oh yeah, it's hard. Oh my god, this shit looks so sick. What do you guys think? It's badass, huh? I'm back at AR, guys, and what is this? What do we have here? It looks like an intake filter. And what do we got here? It looks like brackets. Intakes and brackets. Interesting combo. Sam, insert montage. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Sam, insert nighttime revving now. Oh yeah. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, comment if you wish. Next week I got a crazy surprise. Got a brand new car. Well, not new, but got a super sick and rare car. Can't wait to show you guys a reveal video, so stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.